Every day we see new trends and new brands in fashion, but not all the companies think about the impact they have on the world. Our generation doesn't just want good fashion, we want fashion that cares about the people and the planet. We also care about sustainability, fair work conditions, and the impact that the companies have on the society. Let's think about it. We live in a world when the consumers are more informed than ever. With just one click, they can know where a product was made, how it was produced, and even the company values. That's why the businesses that are admired today are not only the ones that make profits, but the ones that also make a difference. Well, my name is Luis Fernando Huerta Ortiz, and today I want to share with you why Inditex, one of the world's leading fashion groups in the world, is admired globally. Inditex is best known for the brands like Zara, Pull&Bear, Bershka, and others. But what makes Inditex special is not only the global success and creativity in fashion, but also the values that guide the way of doing business. Did you know that Zara, Inditex main brand, can design and produce and deliver the new collection to the stores in just 2 weeks? That speed is unique in the fashion industry, and it's a big reason why Inditex became so successful. Well, let's move to the innovation with purpose. First, the social entrepreneurs are admired because they create and innovate solutions for the real problems. Inditex has changed the fashion industry with the fast fashion model, but more importantly, it has used innovation to address sustainability. For example, the company develops fabrics made with recycled materials and invests in digital tools to reduce overproduction. This shows what innovation is just not about selling more, but also about reducing waste and helping the environment. In fact, Inditex was one of the first companies to use artificial intelligence to predict customer demand and avoid producing clothes that nobody will buy. This not only is a smart business, it's also good for the planet. Let's move to customer and community focus. Successful and admired companies care about more than customers. They care about communities. Inditex has programs to support local communities, from education projects and social integration. They also collaborate with NGOs to provide clothing to vulnerable populations. And they work with suppliers who respect fair labor conditions. Customers feel part of something bigger when they know their clothes are produced responsibility. For example, Inditex donate millions of clothes through the Red Cross and Caritas. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, the company even transformed the factories to produce medical supplies for hospitals in Spain. That's how business can serve society in moments of crisis. Leadership and culture with values. Okay, with this theme, we have that strong leaders inspire not only employees, but also society. Inditex founder Amancio Ortega created a culture of efficiency, teamwork, and continuous learning. Today, the company leaders continue that spirit while focusing on sustainability and diversity. They show that profit and values can grow together. Employees are motivated not just by their jobs, but by being part of the company with a bigger purpose. Amancio Ortega is also one of the richest men in the world, but what many people don't know is that he is also one of the biggest donors to the public hurricane in Spain. Through the foundation that he has financed hundreds of machines for cancer treatments in public hospitals, and that shows a different side of the leadership giving back. And finally, we have the sustainability and responsibility. Perhaps the most admired attribute today is sustainability. Inditex is working hard to make the business model environmentally friendly. By 2030, the company has committed that 100% of the cotton, linen, polyester are going to be sustainability and recycled. They also encourage customers to recycle the clothes through the collection bins in the stores. Just like Inditex is asking customers to be part of the circular economy. That's how a fashion company becomes admired, by putting the planet before the short-term profit. And here's something inspiring. Today, more than the 50% of all Inditex clothes already carry the label Joy in Life, which means that they are made with more sustainable process and materials. This proves that change is happening now, not only in the future. And for the conclusion, the world's most admired companies combine the business with the success with social entrepreneurship. INDITEX is a perfect example. It is innovative, community, and they have values driven for the sustainability, clothes, and environment. Well, the future belongs to the companies that not only make money, but also make a difference. Maybe our generation will be the one to create the next admired company with social impact. We don't know. So let me ask you something. If you have the chance, what kind of company would you create to make the world a better place? Thank you very much.